Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am 100% going to be dedicating to my friend Sadia. I know it's lockdown, we cannot meet each other, so I thought of doing something small for her. So I hope you guys like it. Then please give me a thumbs up and continue watching. Before you start your makeup, you must always prep your skin, and today to prep my skin I'm using this serum by Swiss Beauty. I got this from Nykaa Summer Saver Days, whatever it is called. So I got it from there, and I have already tried it. Good product, so I'm including it here. So you just have a drop some. You have gold particles into it. इतना खतरनाक गर्मी है ना, उसमें ये फैन एसी बंद करके वीडियो बनाना मतलब खतरनाक चीज है रे बाबा, खतरनाक. For your lips, I am going in with my Maybelline lip balm. This do not have any tint. I have my mirror this side, so don't think why I'm seeing this side. I'm going to be using the Benefit Pore Freshener Primer. Next, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I set my eyelids before I do any eyeshadow. For that, I'm using this loose face powder by Dazzle. I got a perfect shade, that's the reason I got this. Little bit I'm taking on my beauty blender and just dab and set it. So it's because I have like pink flowers all over my dress, so I'm thinking to go in with a pink shade for my base and some pink highlight, only darker ones. So I'm using this NK palette. This is the watermelon splash palette. It looks like this, so pretty color. So I'm thinking to go in with this one and this one, these two colors. Base I'll give the dark color first, and I'll just blend it. It's so dark. I'm taking one flat brush and I'll blend. This one I am taking now, and I'll blend it in the inner corner. For eyeshadow, I am going in with the shade right here. I feel this is really a good shade. Just here. For foundation, I'm using the foundation by Nykaa Shield in the shade 07 Hot Honey. Almost over it is. This is the only foundation that is perfect, 100% perfect, and the one Sugar. For concealer, I am going in with the concealer by Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand. Next, with the same powder, setting my under eye. I'm again taking this color that I first took and applying under eye. Next, I'm going in with the liner, and for liner I'm using this Lakme Absolute Shine Line Liner. To bronze my face, I am going in with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It comes with a brush. The brush is useless, but next, below this line, I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and the powder that I took in the start Just gonna do this till that is set and I remove it. I'm gonna be doing my blush, and for that I'm using the blush by Wet n Wild. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Nykaa highlighter in the shade Chisel. This is the Nykaa Contour and Conquer palette. It comes with the highlighter and a contour. So I'm using the highlighter from this. Mascara, I'll go in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This mascara is totally a miss, huh? Totally a miss. I'm scared not to use this one. For my brows, I am going in with the Miss Claire Brow Pencil in the shade 02 Dark Brown. The most important reason I'm using it is because I chopped this portion. You can just see this is too down and this is chopped. I did it by mistakenly. So I'm just gonna join that line. I'm gonna go in with the kajal. For that I'm using the Plum Kajal. I always see like using kajals by my friend, so I'm using it. Actually, I'm not a big fan of kajal at all. For lipstick, I am going in with this two shades by Maybelline. It's called Sensational Liquid Matte. This is in the shade 09 and this is in the shade 08. Just like this. Oh wow. It's giving you a gradient. So this is the look that I created. Red eyes, not exactly red but mauvey color. Mauvey eyes that matches my dress, my outfit that has this design, pink design all over. So that, and I kept my lips not even pink, not even dark pink, not even red. It's just middle shade, pink nude mix. So that will go great. And I'm going to be straightening my hair right now. I'll wear something in my ears. There is no need of anything in my neck because it is completely till my neck. So I'll be right back after my straightening. This is the final look that I created. I straightened my hair and pinned them up from this side and this side in small fleeks. In the front, I wore a earring, which is a peacock with pearls. For whom I created this look is my friend. I hope she liked this, enjoyed this. अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता ना तो डेफिनेटली मैं आज तेरे घर आती. We would enjoy your mom-made biryani and yeah, stay safe. Don't go outside. Until then, Eid Mubarak to every one of you, especially my friend. And next year you don't have an excuse because I'm going to be your neighbor. I will be there only. So yeah, if you guys like this video, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, bye.